It's basically like a rolling deployment on these microservices. It basically says, great. As soon as that pod is ready to rock and roll, then yeah, then it replaces the other one.
Are you accepting free of charge beta tester?
Yes. Yeah.
We do need beta
Yeah, we
testers,
do need beta testers. Absolutely. Yeah. If you,
Definitely.
yeah. Yeah. Come and talk to me. I'd love. Yeah. Absolutely.
Only
I'd love to
if
give
we're
you an
at
account
this
on it.
meeting.
Yeah. That's right. One-time offer. Right. Passing out coupons in the lobby.
If you don't mind saying, how large is the team working on this platform?
So in terms of developers, I've got 4 developers, 5 developers. I guess if you count me, 5 developers, which is really stretching it. But then I've got a team of 3 Linux administrators, because Linux you can imagine, is a really important part of this. So they have to be, Docker savvy and Kubernetes savvy and so forth. So I've got 3 Linux administrators as part of it.
So where did you find it?
Where did I find them?
Uruguay.
Yeah, Uruguay. Yeah, Uruguay and Barcelona. So I didn't go through this part. So I owned a company before I moved down here to Santa Fe about 3 years ago that I sold to a much larger international distributor. And so I had a development team that I worked with around the world. And so when I left that company in March, then I kind of co-opted some of those resources, and I've been using some of those folks to help us put together this platform. I guess co-opting is a great, good non-legal.
All the comments are in Portuguese. And
Yeah. Actually, I'm really very impressed. Their English is outstanding, actually, and they speak English much better than I speak
Spanish.
Spanish or Portuguese. So yeah. So great.
So when you spin up new pods, does it handle creating a load balancer, setting that up?
Yes.
Service discovery, TLS as well?
Yes, you can do TLS through it. Yeah. So so there's a couple of different concepts here. So one in terms of the DevOps is what we call a template, right? So one of the things that you can do is basically through a JSON file or a YAML file set up a template that basically says, I want these three pods and services, and this is their network route and the whole bit. I want them all, to look like this every time I spin it up. And so essentially that template goes into your project, and it becomes a one-click thing. So you basically say, I've got an image out on Docker. I've got some GitHub stuff. I want you to configure, network, the network route like this. I want you to configure TLS. Those types of things. Okay. Click, and the platform goes out, grabs all of those things, brings it into your project, spins it all up like you want it.
Like a superset of Docker Compose?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, and actually you can use Docker Compose to build your base template.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So, which is, can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited.
It's fast.
So, yeah. But yeah, so definitely accepting beta testers. We love that. Very informal, very informal. I might get you a T-shirt.